Let's talk about something that affects every woman, our gut. It's a topic that often gets overlooked, but it's crucial for our overall health. It's not just about digestion, it's about our overall health and well-being. A healthy gut can influence everything from our immune system to our mental health. Our gut is like a garden, and just like any garden, it needs the right care to thrive. This means nurturing it with the right foods, staying hydrated, and managing stress. When our gut is healthy, we feel energetic, our minds are sharp, and our bodies are strong. We can tackle our daily tasks with vigor and enthusiasm. But when our gut is out of whack, it can lead to a whole host of problems, from bloating and fatigue to mood swings and skin issues. These symptoms can disrupt our lives and make even simple tasks feel overwhelming. And let's face it, ladies, we've got enough on our plates without dealing with a grumpy gut. Balancing work, family, and personal time is challenging enough without the added stress of digestive issues. The good news is that we have the power to turn things around. By making small, consistent changes, we can improve our gut health and, in turn, our overall well-being. We can reset our gut and reclaim our health one step at a time. Whether it's through mindful eating, regular exercise, or stress management techniques, every little bit helps. Let's take charge of our health and give our gut the attention it deserves. The first step to a happy gut is cleaning up our diet. Think of it as weeding out the bad and planting the good. Processed foods, sugary drinks, and artificial ingredients are like weeds that choke out the good bacteria in our gut. We want to ditch those and load up on whole, unprocessed foods that nourish our gut microbiome. Think fiber-rich fruits and vegetables, lean protein, and healthy fats. These foods provide the nutrients our gut needs to function optimally. Stress is a major gut disruptor. When we're stressed, our bodies go into fight-or-flight mode, and digestion takes a back seat. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on our gut, leading to inflammation, bloating, and other digestive woes. That's why it's crucial to find healthy ways to manage stress. Yoga, meditation, deep breathing exercises, and spending time in nature are all excellent ways to calm the mind and soothe the gut. Section 4, Step 3. Move your body, love your gut. Exercise is not just about looking good, it's also essential for a healthy gut. Regular physical activity helps keep things moving in our digestive system, preventing constipation and promoting regularity. It doesn't have to be anything strenuous. A brisk walk, a dance class, or even just getting up and moving around throughout the day can make a big difference. Section 5, Step 4. The Power of Probiotics. In this section, we will explore the incredible benefits that probiotics can offer to our overall health and well-being. Probiotics are live bacteria that are beneficial for our gut health. These microorganisms play a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of our digestive system. Think of them as tiny superheroes that help fight off the bad guys and keep our gut in balance. They work tirelessly to ensure that harmful bacteria don't take over and cause issues. We can get probiotics from fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi. These foods are not only delicious but also packed with these beneficial bacteria. Alternatively, we can take them in supplement form. Probiotic supplements are a convenient way to ensure we get our daily dose of good bacteria, especially if fermented foods aren't a regular part of our diet. Adding probiotics to our diet is like giving our gut a boost of good bacteria. This boost can help maintain a healthy balance in our digestive system, which is essential for overall health. Probiotics can help improve digestion, making it easier for our bodies to absorb nutrients from the food we eat. They can also boost our immunity by enhancing the body's natural defenses, and even elevate our mood. A healthy gut is often linked to a healthy mind, and probiotics can play a significant role in maintaining this connection. So, incorporating probiotics into our daily routine can lead to a happier, healthier life. Section 6. Reaping the rewards, a healthier, happier you. When we take care of our gut, the rewards are plentiful. We experience improved digestion, reduced bloating, and increased energy levels. But the benefits go far beyond the physical. A healthy gut is also linked to better mood, clearer skin, and a stronger immune system. When our gut is happy, we feel lighter, brighter, and more confident in our own skin. We have more energy to pursue our passions and enjoy life to the fullest. Section 7. Keep the bliss going. Tips for lasting gut health. Maintaining a healthy gut is essential for overall well-being and happiness. It's not just about a quick fix. It's about creating lasting habits that support your digestive system and, in turn, your entire body. Resetting our gut is not a one-time thing. It's a lifelong journey. It requires consistent effort and dedication to make sure our gut flora remains balanced and thriving. Here are some tips to keep the bliss going. Start by keeping a journal to track your eating habits and how different foods make you feel. This can help you identify what works best for your body. Make healthy eating a habit, not a chore. Incorporate a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins into your diet. Experiment with new recipes and make meal prep a fun and enjoyable activity. Find an exercise routine you enjoy and stick to it. Whether it's yoga, jogging, dancing, or any other physical activity, regular exercise helps keep your digestive system in good shape and boosts your overall mood. Manage stress through relaxation techniques that work for you. Stress can negatively impact your gut health, so it's important to find ways to unwind. Try meditation, deep breathing exercises, or even a relaxing spa day at home. Incorporate probiotic-rich foods into your diet regularly. Foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and other fermented foods can help maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria. Listen to your body and make adjustments as needed. Pay attention to how your body responds to different foods and activities, and don't hesitate to consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. Remember, taking care of our gut is an act of self-love. It's about nurturing yourself from the inside out and recognizing the importance of your digestive health in your overall well-being. By making small but sustainable changes, we can cultivate a healthy gut and live our best, most vibrant lives. Embrace the journey and enjoy the process of becoming a healthier, happier you.